So you guys, I am finally done with my pantry. Y'all, like, I don't even know how this came together, but y'all, I know y'all gonna be happy. I know y'all gonna be happy. Wait 1 minute. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Cass here, and I am back with another video for you guys today. If you're new to my channel, welcome to The Balanced Life of Cass. Check out my videos, subscribe, and like this video because I know you're gonna love it. So you guys, today's gonna be a simple video of me organizing my pantry that I have right here, y'all. So my pantry is pretty much horrible. It's horrible, y'all. We gonna get into it. Let me show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. I'm sorry, you guys, but I actually lost the footage of me actually showing you guys the pantry in details, but you will see it throughout this video. We're gonna see if I can get to the other two pantries, because this one right here is gonna be a whole project. So let me show y'all what I got to organize them. So I went to the dollar store and I got all of these containers. Literally everything was probably like $15 for all these containers. So that is bomb because containers are expensive. So we're gonna do the DIY Dollar Tree organization. So let's get started. Look at this. Look how deep it goes, you guys. It's crazy. It was like all types of sugar, flour, all types of things up in there that you had to get out. I mean, look at how much food. It's like literally everywhere, y'all. Literally food. So I thought I was recording and I was not because my camera just shut off. It's so annoying. But anyways, you guys, I want to make sure I am cleaned out before the new year. That's why I am doing these simple organizations. I want to go into the new year's with a simple and organized life, you guys. So that's what I want to go into the new year's where I don't want to wait until next year to kind of organize everything. I want to make sure little by little everything is getting organized so I can have a more simple lifestyle. That is the goal. I think I'm gonna do is place the containers inside first and see what kind of look I get, then just stuff these bad boys. Look at how this is coming together already. That is so crazy. It's so nice. It's bright. You can actually see inside. Only thing is I got 3 little jars and I forgot to get a small jar for that. So that might bother me or it might not once I label it. So I'm gonna see how it comes out. And I feel like I need more baskets because 2 of these baskets, they're flexible. At first I thought they weren't gonna fit, but they're very flexible. And I did put some like mini baskets back there. So I think I'm gonna do 2. I might get more of these, I'm not sure, but for right now, this is gonna have to work, y'all. So look at the mess I made. So annoying. Some of my sugar spilled, of course. And I'm pretty much almost like done, y'all. It's crazy. I'm so happy, y'all. Like, I can't believe my pantry is looking like that. Look at that. It's starting to look like, look at that. Who knew that my pantry could look like that? I have all of these like snacks and stuff, chips. Like, let me know if you know about this. If you know about this, you know what's up. Let me know. Of course, Island family got a million water crackers, literally. Look, like 3. See, we had these hidden. We thought we ran out, and we didn't, and we kept buying more. So now we got all these water crackers that I need to put somewhere. And noodles, I got everything over here. Look at that pantry. That's has to be a part 2. I can't even touch that right now. It gotta be another day because it is a lot and it's crazy, so I ain't even gonna touch that. But I am running out of containers, so I need to go get some containers, come back, and try to finish this video. So you guys, I just made it to hi. So let me know if y'all ever return something at the Dollar Tree, because she probably gonna be looking at me crazy, but just let me know. Hey, can I return, exchange something, please? I have to check. They have them in the weirdest places up here, but we are going to look at this. It's gonna fall. So let's go and find 2 more baskets because I need to find. Oops, sorry. I don't know if I see any. Yeah. So you guys, she ran out, of course. So I also got these labels from the Dollar Tree as well, so that we could put labels on all the containers so there is no confusion. So you guys, I am finally done with my pantry. Y'all, like, I don't even know how this came together, but y'all, I know y'all gonna be happy. I know y'all gonna be happy. Wait 1 minute, y'all. Y'all, look at this. OMG. What is he talking about? Like, who is trying to come for me? You know what I'm saying? Anyways, let me let y'all get up in here. I'm gonna have to get on the step right quick because it's high and it's deep, y'all. So this is pretty much like my cereals. These are the labels, y'all. Let me fix these little labels up or whatever. So these are the labels. I have nothing behind there. I don't know if you can see, but I didn't put anything behind it. If I get more, when I get more containers, I'll add more to that. So don't, I know my handwriting ain't been the best, but okay. You got your cookies here, crackers. I did spaghettis. I broke them in half because that's how I cook. And I just felt like, look, it's like cute or whatever. So this is pasta. Okay, stickies. Okay, dollar store stickies. Okay, get it together. And then I have the sugar, the brown, and then the cane sugar. So that is when I didn't have, I did. So behind it is flour and rice. So that's what I have there. Let me take it so y'all can see. That's the rice right there. That's the flour back there. So there you have that. Then I got right here. So I didn't label these because I felt like it would be kind of repetitive because these are all my flours. Coconut, almond. I got splint flour. So this is more flour. And then this is like flaxseed, sugar, again, some stevia. So that's that. This is like from all this sugar is like when you can't find nothing, you go in the store and I rebuy all these things. So this is what again? Look, flaxseed again. Crazy. This is some Lipton. Listen, this is everything, y'all. Get y'all some of this. This is everything. So I have, and I still have more room. And I have my acai bowl mix. So that is kind of all supplements. Down here, I still got a lot of room, y'all, still. I have oats here, some croutons, and I have all my powders, sports shake powders right there. This is all like rice. I got millet, quinoa. I got some barley back here in the box. So those are all my box rices. I have to tape that. But and then this is some more shake mix that I have. I still have more room. Like once you start getting rid of all the boxes, you see that you have so much room. So this is like popcorn snacks. Let me mix this. Did I just turn it the right way? Yeah, because that's gonna annoy me. So I have that. Then here I have some nuts and walnuts, cranberries. I got like chips right here, and I have a boatload of crackers. Crazy. So much crackers here. So I didn't label those. I did, in the back, I did put some like rice back there that I have to restock. I did put that back there. So there you have it. I'm so happy of how it turned out. It's crazy. Do y'all see that the white basket like brings light inside? So that's why I wanted the white ones. Those didn't have any more, so I just bought another clear one because the white one is really flexible, y'all. So these are the best ones to get because they're flexible and they bend. And there you have it. So you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys liked it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Join the team, join Balanced Life with Cass, where we get it together, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Love you guys.